All right, 1 week ago, heavy rain and severe flooding caused in Mesa, South Phoenix, and Glendale. Not only it caused flooding in that area. Today, homeowners are still dealing with insurance claims and repairs due to water damage. There are folks out there who may have water damage and don't even know about it. So we brought in Stephen Dubell. That was close. General contractor and owner of Image Home Improvement, and Home Inspector Dan Heaton here to talk about hidden water damage. Now, you do have some technology to help you out with this, right?
Absolutely. Infrared Technologies has brought us a long way from years ago before we would be able to use our instinct to find out where water came into a home. And I'll let Dan explain to you how it works.
This is the thing you use, right?
This is the thing we use, and the things that we see is the temperature differential, because water makes things cooler in some aspects and sometimes hotter if it's on stucco. So if we have this one right here.
Yeah, we got 3 pictures we want to show
right
you. This
here,
is the first one.
This is in the living room. On a exterior facing wall.
Got it.
And because of the water coming through from the exterior, it showed this blue section, which is verified also by a moisture meter, but this instrument caught what was going on inside the drywall because of temperature differential. It doesn't look inside the wall, it just tells you there's the temperature differential going on between what would be the normal drywall, as you see here, and the drywall that's affected and still wet in this area. And that's your temperature differential.
I think we got a little damage in here. All right, so what's the next picture? Show us the next picture. She's going to switch. Okay, now what?
Now, this is one these folks had no idea about.
Yeah.
This is on a different facing wall on the front of the house. Outside, there's a stucco wall, and there was a hole in it that nobody had figured out yet, but had come through and caused this moisture right here.
And this is what you saw in your instrument.
Yeah,
right?
I turned around the room and was like, bingo, there it is. We have more moisture.
Yeah.
So that's how you can find out whether you've been inundated or not from our stem.
Okay, what's this? This is the exterior.
This is the exterior stucco, and notice the blue areas? This is the water still inside the membrane stucco. Underneath the stucco, the outside you can tell is dry. But underneath, it's still wet because the water pounded and went through some of those nice repairs, and a nice hole right down there at the bottom. It just caused a real nice hole. Sorry about the numbers here, but it's even bluer way down here. It was really wet where the hole and let the water through.
All right, so Stephen, so he detects this, so what do you do then?
We come in once we take a look at this, and it saves a lot of time to be able to go in and go through and inspect the pictures and say, okay, this is where the damage is, this is what we need to replace. Now, in this picture, for instance, what we would do, that angled ledge, we would actually take out, strip all the stucco off completely, and put the weatherproof barrier back on and rebuild the stucco so it would be watertight.
Okay.
And then that's just the first step. Now, because of the water damage, there's other issues inside that soffit on that previous picture that we need to do. In that case, we bring in a remediator to go in and make sure that there isn't they test for mold. And make sure that everything's clean, because we would not want to open up the drywall inside the house and contaminate the rest of the living area until we know exactly what's in that soffit.
Fascinating. And then, after you do that, then you have the repairs of the inside.
Right, and it all gets taken out, all the contaminated materials get taken out, and then we just rebuild it and make it like it never happened.
So you mentioned off there, you guys have a radio show?
Yes, we have it's every Saturday morning on Dave Pratt's Double Wide Network from 8 to 10, our home improvement radio show. We talk about all things home improvement.
It's an app and it's free.
Okay, so where do we find this again? Dave Pratt's Radio Network?
Go to www.doublewidenetwork.com and click on the Image Home Improvement link. You'll see my smiling face right next to Dave Pratt's. And you can click on the Listen Live button.
Very good. Thank you very much.
You bet.
And are you, both of you gentlemen are available for anybody that needs you right here in town?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely. There are links on our website, imagehomeimprovement.show.com and imagehomeimprovement.com.
And you and I ran into each other at a Circle K not too long ago.
Not too long ago.
And I inspected your neighbor's house many years ago.
It's a small world.
Let's go over to Andrea's neighborhood next and look for something, some damage.
I'm sure you'll find something.
Okay, thanks a lot, guys.
All right, thank you very much.